Good evening, everyone. I answered 3 questions. What were some of things they considered before deciding whether they would push the button? They considered the following things before push the button. First, they have 2 options. If they push the button, they will get $1 million. Second, if don't push the button, someone will die somewhere in the world. After they thought so, they can pay bills and will get money to have a better life. On the other hand, her husband went to the police. They couldn't help find the person who left the box from them in front of the door. What did they decide to do? They decided to push the button. Before they discussed the decision to push the button, he doesn't have a word at the moment. If they decide to do, they will help to solve their economic problem. According to her, why did she do it? Because she loves her family. If she does, she will receive the money. If she did, she would protect her family and someone somewhere in the world. In my opinion, it's work very difficult to do. What's your opinion about 3 questions? Thank you.